Okay, if you were here, then you have gotten your budget checked by me and you have formulas and your numbers are correct. Please, if you look here and you have not gotten that done or your numbers are not the same as mine on the screen, do not change yours. Go back and watch the video. If I haven't graded it yet, please put your green stick up and wait to watch this. Okay, so the first question says, what is the total cost to rent an SUV for 4 days? So the total cost is going to be this. How much will each traveler pay? That's going to be the price per person for the rental SUV. Write down what you have for the price per person for the rental SUV. Okay, number 2. How much does it cost for one person to go on this trip? What is the trip total for one person? That is right here. So we have the price per person, trip total for one person. That was where we added all of those costs. Are you over or under your amount budgeted? Here is your amount budgeted. Is that number over it? Is the trip total for one person over it, or is it under it? The amount. Is the amount over 650 or is it under 650? Per person, right here, these amounts. What is the most expensive part of this trip? What part of this trip per person costs the most? You look at the highest price and go over to the expense for that and write that down. Okay, we talked about this the other day in class. What does it cost for one person to ski for 1 day? It is the sum of the unit price for food, for lift tickets, and ski rental. We talked about down on this gray bar here, it should tell you your total. Write that amount down. Okay. What if one of the travelers bailed? Means at the last minute they can no longer go. How much would it cost for one person to go on this trip with only 4 travelers? So all you should have to do here, because you've done formulas, is change this to 4. And now you know. With one less traveler, would a person be over or under budget? So look at the trip total. Look at the amount that they budgeted. Look right here. How much would he or she be over or under the amount budgeted? Make sure those answers are filled out. Make sure your name is on the sheet and turn it in. Turn your trip for 5 back to 5 and proceed on to part B.